of it. That's it.
Look at him.
Whoa.
Look at his face.
Let all these go for now.
Just now, hit the curve.
No, he didn't hit the curve.
Hmm?
He didn't hit the curve.
What if?
Go on. Pay attention. We'll worry about that in a minute. No. The car coming. I can't see now at all.
Yeah, that's
Leave your indicator going.
Huh?
You leave your indicator going, that's fine. Oh, everyone's fucking coming. Car coming out of the junction. Go.
God, I see.
Steady. Fucking hell, Chu. You're very big. First, go. Could you see how wide he was?
I didn't realize he
Go on,
like
go on,
big.
go on.
Go on.
Can't see you now, you have to wait till he's passed a bit. Wait, set, go on, now you can go.